Hello everyone, I'm just taking a stroll down here at the Gothic quarters of Barcelona. Won't you come join me? Let's go for a stroll. Let's get lost and to find new adventures. It was a dream come true being here. I wish you guys were with me. It was such a beautiful day. It was warm, but it had a cool breeze. I love those little balconies, and I always imagine how would it be like to live in those apartments? What did it look like inside? How are their daily routines? I was so curious. It fills my mind with such wonderment. just can't wait to go back to Barcelona. It was such a fantastic place. A little bit old, a little bit new, fantastic weather, wonderful. I haven't even gone to the beach yet. I gotta do that still. After hours of walking around town in the Gothic quarters, I figured, man, let's take a car and drive around, check out the city that way, cover more ground. So I jumped into this taxi, and boy, did I make the right decision. When I do my solo travels, I have such a huge sense of freedom. I leave my itinerary quite open because whenever I roam around the town, I find constant, interesting things. So many curiosities. And when I do see it, I just go to it, whatever I find. And I love that. That complete freedom that I have. No stress about schedules or time or anything like that. No reservations. I find a nice restaurant, I go to it. I find a shimmering art gallery. I go into that too and go explore. Heck, I found the house of Picasso by accident. And I'm so glad I did, because that experience was pretty cool too. And taking a taxi around town, seeing all these wonderful things, is a great way to explore and to find wonderful surprises. how's that sunset for you? Quite romantic, isn't it? Even though I was traveling alone at that time, I'm glad I have a chance to share it with you guys now. Get ready for some cheesy souvenir pictures. I couldn't help myself. I had to be a tourist. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.